Did you know that one of India's top commodity exchange is going to enter the equity market with a game-changing move? And no, it's not NSE or BSE. We are talking about NCDEX, the National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange. From powering Indian agriculture market to launching weather-based derivatives, NCDEX has been silently revolutionizing the way commodities are traded in India. In this video, we will be covering everything that you need to know about NCDEX, its company's overview, product and business model, shareholding patterns, financials, recent achievements, and IPO update. NCDEX was incorporated in 2003 and started its operation in the same year. It's a professionally managed, demutualized online commodity exchange headquartered in Mumbai in India. The exchange plays a crucial role in enabling price discovery and risk management in India's agriculture and commodity sector. Over the year, NCDEX has expanded to over 10,750 terminals across India, onboarded 2.9 million clients, listed 21 major commodities including cereals, spices, oilseeds, pulses, metal and energy products, established a strong agri-based ecosystem with over 114 WRDA-approved warehouses and 76 pledge banks. NCDEX operates on a transaction-based revenue model for commodity derivative trading, clearing, settlement, and other value-added services. It also generates revenue from warehousing and repository services, data feed and market insights, auctions, and institutional participation. The exchange operates through its four main subsidiaries. Number one is NCDEX E-Market Limited, India's largest electronic agri-mandi. Second is National Commodity Clearing Limited, which works on clearing and settlement of trades. Third is National Repository Limited, which works on storage and record keeping for commodities. Fourth and last is NCDEX Institute of Commodity Markets and Research, capacity building and knowledge dissemination. Together, they form a complete ecosystem and support commodity exchange from end to end. NCDEX is actively expanding and diversifying. It recently signed a MOU with Colombo Stock Exchange (CSE) to develop a framework for commodities and derivatives trading. The exchange is planning to raise 750 crore to launch equities and equity derivative segments. Yes, they are entering the traditional stock market soon. They also plan to invest 400 to 600 crores in new verticals. One of their most talked about initiative is launching India's first parametric weather derivatives. In collaboration with IMD, this could revolutionize how farmers hedge. NCDEX is raising capital of approximately 750 crore for multiple marquee investors to fund the expansion plan. NCDEX also holds substantial stakes in companies like NERL, PXIL, NEML, and more. Clearly, NCDEX is evolving more than in agri-commodities into a full-fledged market infrastructure institution. And now coming to its financials. As 2025 revenue was Rs 88 crore versus Rs 97 in the PY, which indicates a decline of minus 8.33%. That was Rs 236 crore in March 2025 versus Rs minus 28 crore in the PY, which indicates a growth of 942.86%. And the EPS was Rs 46.57 in the March 2025 versus Rs minus 5.52 per share in March 2024. With an outstanding share of 5.06 crore, their market cap at the current shareholding price stands at approximately 1,993.6 crore with a PE multiplier of 8.46. Recently, NCDEX has secured a funding of over 500 crore with market maker Citadel Securities. It is a high security trading firm Tower Research and a US-based investment firm Asiatic Patent. Exchange aims to raise Rs 750 crore to fuel its entry into the equity market. And now coming to its shareholders. These are the top shareholders owning the majority of shareholding rights. If you want to track NCDEX unlisted share prices, get real-time IPO alerts, or access to other top IPO opportunities, then head over to stockify.net.in.